The RBI has hit the pause button yet again. In its monetary policy meeting today, the RBI kept the repo rate unchanged at 5.25%, with the MPC unanimously voting for status quo. The policy stance also remains neutral, signaling that the RBI wants more clarity before making its next move. What has changed meaningfully is the outlook. RBI revised FY27 real GDP growth down to 6.6% from 6.9%, reflecting pressure from global supply chain disruptions, financial market volatility, and weather-related risks. At the same time, CPI inflation has been revised upwards to 5.1% for FY27, around 50 basis points higher than the earlier projection. The RBI pointed to rising energy prices, commodity shocks, supply bottlenecks, uncertainty around the southwest monsoon, and possible El Nino conditions as the main upside risks for inflation. The message was cautious but not alarming. Governor Sanjay Malhotra said that the Indian economy remains relatively strong, supported by resilient manufacturing and services activity, consumption trends, and investment momentum. On the external side, the RBI said it does not target any specific rupee level, but will act to curb excessive volatility and disorderly market moves. That matters because currency stability becomes more important when imported inflation risks are rising. There were also measures to support foreign capital flows. The RBI expanded the fully accessible route universe by including new issuances of 15-year, 30-year, and 40-year government securities, and announced the concessional forex swap window for certain external commercial borrowings by public sector undertakings until the 13th of September 2026. So what does this mean for investors? One, the RBI is still in wait-and-watch mode and is not in a hurry to take action. Two, inflation risks have become more visible. And three, markets may remain sensitive to crude, the rupee, and monsoon developments over the next few months. For all investors, this was a hold rates, watch risks kind of policy. The macro base is not on shaky ground, but the margin for comfort has definitely narrowed. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments.